If I need to put, I just manage it a bit time because I am not sure exactly how much fabric I need to cut because I cannot manage to think. You cannot think because whatever stylization you will be putting across, that happens by trial basis. So if I come short of it, I'll join some fabric and try to accommodate. After the entire fabric is cut, then I'll take it out, spread it out, and then make a fresh part. So for the best fabric, whichever in the future selected, say chiffon, georgette, lycra, whatsoever, that pattern is ready for me on the brown paper. So these are what? These are working pattern right now. So master pattern is still to be created. So this much is understood, I think, right? No. The way I can see the faces, I said this is doing too much. So let me cut out. I'm just taking a small bit of diagonal fabric, okay, and then let us move out to that place. Now, yeah, here. So now this is diagonal, as you can see. So when I have a diagonal fabric, this actually flows down properly, correct? Now at this point, I may not have so much of the inside lining. What I'll do, I'll have to drape it here. So I wish I'll be draping like this. So now before you drape, you must understand what to do with this edge. Do you want the edge to be just folded like this? So you don't have to make the edge finishing. You may think about having it, you may think about picot, right? You may do that. So here, if I have to do that, I'll have to keep the edge standing out like this. But since I may not wish it, so I may put it down like this, and this will be a smooth finish. And the edge will go inside, and that will stay raw like that. That is possible. Okay. So how you want to finish, it is up to you. So I'm taking it, let us do two finishing. If I am doing this, I'm doing a lot of pleats here, okay? Pleats like this, right? And there will be pleats like this. So one drape structure is happening, but the edge needs to be finished. In the other case, which I just told you, I may put it inside down like this and keep it like here. Say for example, I want to keep it till the center part like this much. So let me pin it. So this styling, whatever I am doing, it is not compulsion that you only draw and design in this manner, but then it is just a style, one way that I wish to do it. You may pleat it upward or downward, depends upon your choice. Okay, you may put it upward also, one, or another one you can make it downward also. That is up to your choice. Okay, so I am taking the pleat here. I may pleat it my way. How much intake of the pleat I need, this is also my convenience. If I want to keep it more pleated like this, it is up to me. The consumption of the fabric will increase that way, right? And if you do not want, you can have lesser pleats. Up to you. So let me do it here. So over this I am pleating. Now these are the things which is not so conveniently possible in 2D flat table pattern making. I mean, I am always referring to that because you have to understand why we need to do draping. We need to learn draping because of the convenience of understanding this kind of design, this kind of flexibility. So here, if this fabric is coming, so maybe I'll not do it. I may do it till here, okay, right? Maybe this one pleat I need to consider going to here, and then another pleat touching here. So I need to snip it off. If I don't want to snip it off, I must keep this fabric going down. How much fabric length you want to consume, it's up to you. And which direction this will go, it's up to you.
I will not disturb and just
Oh yeah, please welcome. ठीक है ये. So second again If you want to synchronize the size, it is better. If you don't want to synchronize, it's up to your stylization. You may want it big or small. Graduation is yours. So I do all over. Okay, nicely I do all over. तो यहाँ इतना टाइम नहीं है तो लिमिट लगना है. So इसको अब क्या करेंगे? से अगर इतना ही मुझे चाहिए था, इतना ही यही था, तो यहाँ प्रिंट कर लेते हैं एक बार. प्रिंट करके अब चॉक से मार्किंग करते हैं. ये शोल्डर में जितना भी मुझे चाहिए था, ये आर्म होल में मुझे जितना चाहिए था, ये सपोज तुम्हें लगता है कि नहीं हम तो इतना में फिर स्लीव लगाना पड़ेगा, स्लीव नहीं लगाना चाहते सपोज, तो हम यहाँ से इसको एंगुलरली कटिंग कर लेंगे जैसा भी चाहिए. और ये फैब्रिक फिर इधर आके साइड में ख़त्म होने वाला है. और ये जो फैब्रिक है यहाँ, इसको भी हम चाहेंगे कि ये ड्रेप में स्टाइलिंग हो जाए. ठीक है, तो हम एक बार इसको कटिंग करके निकाल देते हैं. तो यहाँ जितना पीछे का फैब्रिक था उसी का अलाइनमेंट के हिसाब से हम कटिंग कर रहे हैं.
सीम अलाउंस देके.
हाँ, लाइनिंग है तो लाइनिंग के मुताबिक सीम अलाउंस में चला गया. इसको हम यहाँ करेंगे. अब इसमें सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम एक क्या है मालूम है तुम लोगों को ना, एक मास्किंग टेप चाहिए. यू नो मास्किंग टेप, वो वाइट वाला आता है. तो वो टेप से तुमने यहाँ पर सेल टेपिंग कर लेगा. एक बार सेल टेपिंग करने के बाद ये पिन को तुम निकाल सकता है. तो क्या होगा, ये मास्किंग टेप के साथ पकड़ गया है. अब इसको एज इट इज़ तुम उठाएगा, जाके स्टिच करके ला सकता है. वरना तुम्हें पिनिंग करना पड़ जाएगा, जो तुम कर सकता है. ऐसा कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है. तुम्हें यहाँ पर यूं करके पिनिंग करके यहाँ पर, या कच्चा सिलाई हाथ से तुम सिविंग कर सकता है. क्या सोविंग याद है तुम बोल रहे हो?
Sir, may I come in?
Yes sir, please sir.
Are they student of third semester?